Hi friends, please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, you will need a pencil, one crayon, and one marker. Please pause the video to get your materials. Our first word is sprint. S-p-r-i-n-t. Sprint. With your pencil, write sprint. S-p-r-i-n-t. Sprint. With your crayon, write sprint. S-p-r-i-n-t. Sprint. And with your marker, S-p-r-i-n-t. Sprint. Remember, if I go too fast today, please pause the video. Our next word is scrub. S-k-r-u-b. Scrub. With your pencil, write scrub. S-k-r-u-b. Scrub. With your crayon, write scrub. S-k-r-u-b. Scrub. With your marker, S-k-r-u-b. Scrub. Next we have scrap. S-k-r-a-p. Scrap. With your pencil, write scrap. S-k-r-a-p. Scrap. With your crayon, S-k-r-a-p. Scrap. Marker, S-k-r-a-p. Scrap. Next word is strum. S-t-r-u-m. Strum. With your pencil, write strum. S-t-r-u-m. Strum. With your crayon, S-t-r-u-m. Strum. And with your marker, S-t-r-u-m. Strum. Our next word is stand. S-t-a-n-d. Stand. With your pencil, please write stand. S-t-a-n-d. Stand. With your crayon, S-t-a-n-d. Stand. And with your marker, S-t-a-n-d. Stand. Our next word is strip. S-t-r-i-p. Strip. With your pencil, write strip. S-t-r-i-p. Strip. With your crayon, S-t-r-i-p. Strip. And with your marker, S-t-r-i-p. Strip. Next we have strap. S-t-r-a-p. Strap. Write strap. S-t-r-a-p. Strap. With your crayon, write strap. S-t-r-a-p. Strap. With your marker, S-t-r-a-p. Strap. Next word is split. S-p-l-it. Split. With your pencil, write split. S-p-l-it. it, split. With your crayon, it, split. With your marker, it, split. Next word is scram. Scram. With your pencil, write scram. Scram. With your crayon, scram. With your marker, scram. Last word, print. Print. With your pencil, write print. Print. With your crayon, write print. Print. And marker. Print. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great. All right, my friends, on this side of the paper, we are working with initial three-letter blends, SPL, spol, and SPR, spur. We have all of our initial three-letter blends down here that we are going to use and cross off after we use them. Our first picture is a picture of a sprout. Sprout. I hear the three-letter initial blend. I'm going to cross it off. Then that is a girl, and she's doing the splits. 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 I hear S-P-L. Spol. And I'm going to cross it off. Next, we have a cupcake, and they're putting on a sprinkles. Sprinkles. Spur. Sprinkles, and cross it off. Next, we have a splat of paint. Splat. Spol. Splat. Then we have a spray bottle. Spray. Spur. Spur. Next, we have a puddle, and the car drives through it and makes a big splash. 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 And I'm going to cross it off. Next, we have a picture of springtime. Spurring. Spur. Spring. Next, on our finger, when we hurt our finger, we can put a splint on it to make it feel better. Splint. Spol. Spol. And last is sprain. When you hurt your ankle, you want to wrap it up when you get a sprain. Spur. Cross it off. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great today.